Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulihil kareem. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma ihdi qalbi wa saddid lisani waslul sakhimata qalbi. Ameen ya rabbil alameen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran, وَالَّذِينَ يَقُولُونَ رَبَّنَا هَبْ لَنَا مِنْ أَزْوَاجِنَا وَذُرِّيَّاتِنَا قُرَّةَ أَعْيُنٍ وَجَعَلْنَا لِلْمُتَّقِينَ إِمَامًا. And those who say, Our Lord, grant us from among our spouses and offspring comfort to our eyes, and make us an example, a leader for those who are righteous. This dua is the dua of Ibadur Rahman, the worshippers of Ar-Rahman, of the one who is most merciful. And these worshippers of Allah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala praises the way that they walk, the way that they interact with people, the way that they talk. And here, their du'as are mentioned. What is it that they call upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for? So they call upon Allah for what? For their spouses, for their children, that, oh Allah, grant us through them coolness of the eyes and make us a leader of those who are righteous. The ulama say that this ayah, this dua, includes people who are married, people who are not married, people who have children, and also people who do not have children. Because رَبَّنَا hablana مِنْ azwajina, that our Lord grant us coolness of the eyes from our spouses, this is for those who are married. وَذُرِّيَّاتِنَا, and also from our children, this is for those who have children. وَجَعَلْنَا لِلْمُتَّقِينَ إِمَامًا, and make us an example for those who are righteous. This includes every believer, whether or not they are married and whether or not they have children. That we should all be asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that make us an example, a leader of those people who are righteous. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says regarding these people that أُولَئِكَ يُجْزَوْنَ الْغُرْفَةَ بِمَا صَبَرُوا وَيُلَقَّوْنَ فِيهَا تَحِيَّةً وَسَلَامًا. That those will be awarded the chamber for what they patiently endured, and they will be received therein with greetings and words of peace. خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا حَسُنَتْ مُسْتَقَرًّا وَمُقَامًا. They will abide therein eternally. What an excellent place of residence and a permanent abode, meaning paradise.